Hi everyone, my name is Erinola. As a software engineer who contributes to open source projects and who also work on private repositories, it is very burdensome as a developer to juggle between checking GitHub for issues and also going through Linear and Trello in order to see the task for that day. So what I did was to build Bliq using the Bolt.new Hackathon platform to make my workflow easier and for many other developers. So Bliq is a software that works fully offline, that manages all tasks across GitHub, Trello, and of course your local project. So which means you can see all your tasks in one place instead of juggling between different places, and every action you make on Bliq also gets pushed to their respective platforms as well. Bliq works completely offline, so the authentication as well is offline also. So which means that everything works offline. So let me quickly sign up here. Okay, good. Now I'm in, and this is what you see when you sign up on Bliq. And of course, you get to see all of your tasks, whether it is a local task or a GitHub task or a Trello task. And right here, you can come here to quickly add a task, and then you give your task description, deploy to Bolt.new, deploy Bliq quickly, yes, and then of course it's very high priority, and so I'll call this a feature, and then urgent, and then I had my task, and right there this is categorized as a local task. So right here I can click on this task, I can also add comments to the task, and when I connect my GitHub and connect to Trello, I'll be able to also push it to either GitHub or Trello. So how we do the connection through to GitHub and Trello is that when you click on connect, we will ask you to bring your access code from your account, and the access code must have all of these scopes, which is what we use to pull down all of your repos, and then you can select whatever repo you want to use for the platform. And just like I said, it works completely offline, and it syncs up automatically every few minutes. Once the app notices that it is online, it sends all of the pending comments or tasks that you've created, and of course pull any task that's coming in. Of course, you can filter to only your local tasks, you can filter to your GitHub tasks, and then your Trello tasks. And it is just a simple offline based application that also works very well mobile view. And the reason is because it is awesome when you can check what is going on with your task on the go, and that is the reason why we built this app. And that is Bliq for you, and I believe that it's going to be a wonderful tool that every developer would find interesting to use. Thank you very much.